just a little kitty with a curious mind. Saw my human typing, oh, what could they find? A keyboard full of buttons, it lit up my day. I thought, let's try coding.
Hi
What
there,
will it
kids.
say?
My name is Milo, and I'm no ordinary cat. I'm a cat who loves coding. Yes, that's right, coding. Let me tell you all about my journey with computers and how I wrote my first program. But guess what? The first thing I made was a mistake. The computer showed me something called an error. Oh no.
I'll code just fine. My first line was tricky, it didn't go right. The screen flashed an error, oh what a sight. But my human showed me, don't give up now. Fix it, run it, you'll learn somehow. Meow, meow, I love to code. Typing on the keys, watch the magic unfold. Errors can't stop me, I'm learning every line. Meow, I'll code just fine.
I love coding. It worked. My very first program was a success. I felt like the smartest kitty in the world.
Single click, I'm learning to create. This coding journey is truly great. Meow, meow, I love to code. Typing on the keys, watch the magic unfold. Errors can't stop me, I'm learning every line. Meow, I'll code just fine. So what will you code? Join me and explore. Together we'll create and so much more. With Milo the cat, you'll never feel alone. Coding's our adventure, let's make it our own.
It's for anyone who loves to learn and create. If I can do it, you can too. So grab a keyboard, start typing, and see what you can make. Trust me, it's so much fun.
I'll code just fine. Meow, meow, I love to code. Typing on the keys, watch the magic unfold. Errors can't stop me, I'm learning every line. Meow, I'll code just fine.